Hello everyone. So today we will study about console input output functions. So the console input output functions in C language used to perform input output operations. For example, for acceptance of data we use input devices, and for the presentation of data we use output devices. So the console input output functions divided into two types of functions. First is your formatted and second is your unformatted. So under the formatted functions we have printf and scanf, and for the unformatted functions we have getch, getche, getchr, gets, puts char, puts. These are all unformatted functions. So formatted functions are those functions that are used to display multiple outputs in different formats according to the user. Okay, and in case of unformatted function, so this function does not accept input in specific format. Okay, so these functions are used only for the character or string data type values. Okay, and that is why it is called unformatted. And these functions are called unformatted because we cannot use any format specifier or the format functions according to the needs. But in case of formatted functions, we we can display any type of input according to the user need with the help of format specifiers. Okay, so that is the difference between formatted and unformatted functions. So today in this video we will focus on unformatted functions. So unformatted input output functions divided into two types of functions. First is your character input output function, and second is your string input output function. So in case of character input output function, these are function used for reading or writing a single character at a time from the input device or on the output device. So under the character input output function we have five types of functions. First is your getchr, getche, getch, putch, and putchr function. And for the string input output functions we have two types of function, gets and puts. And these functions, string input output functions, are used for reading or writing a character or string type of data. Okay, so first is your character input output function. First function is getchr function. So this function is used to reading a single character at a time, and this is the syntax for reading the single character from the user. So variable name is equal to the function name, that is getchr. Second function is getch function. So this function also read a single character at a time, but it also display the type character on the screen. So this is the difference between getchr function and the getch function. Both the functions are used for reading a single character at a time, but in case of getch function the typed character will be displayed on the screen. Okay, and third function is getch function. This function also read or write as only read a single character at a time, but the difference is that this function used to hide the input. So we can say this function will be used for login password applications. Okay, so these three functions, that is getchr function, getch function, and getch function, used for reading a single character at a time. Difference is that the getch function will be hide the input, getch function display the type character on the screen at the time when you are reading the character. Okay, so this is the program for demonstrating the use of character unformatted input output function. So firstly the header files will be defined, that is standard input output header file and the cone.h header file. And after that the main function will be started. After that, with the help of char data type we declared a variable na. Next, with the help of formatted input function or input output function, the printf function will be defined, that is enter any key to continue. And after that, get che function will be used for reading a single character, but the type character will not be shown on the screen. Okay, next is your printer, enter any character for reading a single character, and we use here get che function, so the typed character will be displayed on the screen. Okay, and the output is shown below, that is first the printf enter any key to continue. This one, when you entered any key, that key will not be shown any character on the output screen, but actually you already pressed any key. Okay, because we use the get ch function, that is why the type character will not be shown on the output screen. And after that, the enter any character, that is the printf next function, and the type character will be shown on the screen. So there is a difference between get ch and get ch function. So next is your put chr function. So this function will be used for writing one character at a time on the screen, and the syntax for put chr function is put chr and the variable name. Okay, so this function is used to display the your type character on the screen. So this is the program. Firstly, the header files will be defined. Next, the main function will be started. After that, with the help of cat data type, we declared a variable na, and n character will be assigned to the variable na. Okay, then put chr function will be used for displaying the output or displaying the character on the screen, and under in the put chr function we use the variable na, and in a na variable we have value is n, so output will be shown on the display screen as n. Next is your put chr function and character is a, then again the output will be displayed as the output will display the character a. Okay, third is your put ch function, and this function will also use to display the output on the screen. Okay, so fifth is your put ch function, and this function also display or writing one character at a time on the screen. So these both the functions put chr and put ch function used to display the character on the screen. So next is your put ch function, and in the put ch function we use the variable na, and in a na variable we have the value of n. Okay, so output will be NAAN. You can see below is the output of this program, that is NAAN. So next is your string input output functions. So string, we already knew that the string is the collection of various types of characters. Okay, so under this string input output function we have two types of functions, gets and puts, and these two functions are mostly commonly used for the input output functions in strings. Okay, so gets function used for reading the string characters, and the puts function is used for writing the string characters on the screen. So both these functions are declared in the standard input output header files. So let's see the program for demonstrating these functions, string input output functions. Okay, firstly the header files will be declared. After that, the main function will be started, and in the program we have variable or the array string is nan, that is the name of array string, and the size of array string is 40. Okay, with the help of data type char we declared the array string name as nan of size 40. Next is your printf for displaying the line on the screen. So we have printf enter any string. Next is your gets function will be used for reading the string from the user. Okay, so gets, and the nan is the name of your array string. Okay, here in this case we are entering the collection of characters, not a single character but a collection of characters. So that is why we use the char data type, and the array of string it will be declared. Okay, so here the get functions used to reading the string from the user and puts for displaying that string on the output screen. So here in the output we can see enter any string. We use the printer function for displaying this line, and after that the hello string is will be read with the help of gets function. So hello is typed by the user, and that string of characters will be displayed on the output this device with the help of puts function, and that will be like this. Hello will be printed with the help of puts function. So that's all today for the console input output functions, and thank you.